Day 2 of the Dirty Brown House. So day 2 of the Dirty Brown House. Let's see what I got done yesterday. Owners were here yesterday, so they were here yesterday afternoon, and I couldn't do a video at the end of the day. So this actually is that one. That's next morning. So oil-based undercoat on the frames, fully taped up around the skirtings all the way through. All oil-based undercoat. There's some windows I didn't get done, and all around the power points, because that's where your grease and dirty handprints are. These will probably get sprayed out. I'll probably do them in undercoat. Still got some window frames there to do. And obviously I've got these ones here, I've only taped up to there. I've still got, leave these window boxes till last. Let's put my bag here. So that's the colour there. Looks like he's changed it a few times. And he actually contacted me yesterday and said he wasn't happy with the colour, or contacted his father, said he wasn't happy with the colour. I basically said, well, I can't do it anymore if you change your mind on the colour. I need a colour, otherwise I just can't continue. So then he's come back and he says, yeah, okay, we'll do that colour. So I'm going to order some paint today, and yeah, start putting a little bit of paint on. We're going up into the dark areas again. So we had a plasterer friend of mine come in yesterday. We're going to put an expansion joint in that area there. He's going to fix this plastering here, set all across there. There's some more up here he's got to set. As you see, I've undercoated all these. These were late yesterday, so they'll have to be gapped and on sand. Found a bad spot there. Plaster is just going to fill that. It's not rotten, so that's good. He's going to put, I could do it if I needed to, he's going to put that back up in there. Get rid of that exhaust fan. That exhaust fan was to grow their marijuana in here. But no, it's pretty good, looking good. And I'll fill all these, where the handrails and stuff go. All those will be filled, I'll do all them. So there's a bit of damage behind the doors there. I'll probably do that. Looks like I haven't even taped up, but I haven't finished taping. I haven't undercoated this room even. So there's something that I've missed. So that should be something that I need to do straight away. Can't take these off because they're glued on with silicone. I've had a go at that. Well, that's different. Just to put a bit of weight up there. So I'll have to undercoat these today, like shortly. And I haven't undercoated this either, so it's got to be taped up. So I've still got a little bit to do. Undercoated these door frames. And here was gloss enamel. It's an oil-based undercoat. You don't have to sand it. Just a coat of quick dry oil-based undercoat, and mate, I tell you, you will not move that. It is unscratchable, and it'll be like that within 10 or 15 minutes. So no good sanding everything and going through all that trouble, and then having to put water-based seal or a primer on it, because it still doesn't bloody work. You've got to wait so long for it to cure. Well, with the quick dry oil-based undercoat, I could actually paint that the same day. No problems at all. So that's what I got done for the day. Got a little bit of setting there to do. Now the owner has been, or the owner's father has been brilliant. He's been taking all the curtain brackets and stuff off for me, you know, the strikers, stuff like that. He has been incredible. He's around the 70, 68, I think he said he is, so he has been wonderful. And I'm really, really happy that he has helped me, because it's given me a freedom to do other stuff on the house. It's pretty weird, but down here, who would build something like that? I don't know. You would think that it's for a flower thing, but I don't know what it's for, to be honest. It's got the skirtings down there. And it hasn't been sprayed, if you notice. There's no spray marks, no overspray marks on this house. No overspray marks at all. So whoever painted this house has done it by hand. And to do it by hand is just, it's a lot of work. Okay, that's my little update of this house. I'll catch you on the next video in day 2. So today's day 2, but I haven't done anything. Catch you later, bye.